me a documentary.
Is that a Dr. Pepper? Hey unicorns, it's Izzy here. I apologize for the atrocious lighting because again, I don't have a nice lighting setup. Anyway, so I got a new backdrop. Like the video if you like the backdrop. I really like the backdrop. It says, wait. Oh no, you can't see it in the camera. No. It's fine, but up there it says dream all the dreams, and it's got like stars and stuff. And I like it a lot. Also, the fall has officially arrived because when I was at school today, when I walked out the door to get in the car to go to school, let me tell you, it was literally freezing. Yeah. And mind you, I was wearing a skirt and a short sleeve shirt in the wind, in the cold, and it was literally, I'm not lying when I'm saying it's freezing, because it was freezing. And so because it's so flippin' cold. Also, I found my unicorn horn. Yay. Anyway, because it's so flippin' cold, I decided that I am going... Anyhow, because it's so flippin' cold, I decided to wear the wool llama sweater. Because it's a llama, and it's freezing outside. Duh. So I decided, because we are getting into the Halloween spirit, I actually don't know what I'm gonna be for Halloween. I don't know. I kind of want to be Sally from The Nightmare Before Christmas. And then I kind of want my boyfriend Cass to be Jack Skellington, because that is one of my favorite Halloween movies. I love it so much because it is a Halloween and Christmas movie combined together. Yeah. I was actually gonna wear a different... Anyway, what was oh yeah. So I was gonna wear a completely hideous, well, it's not hideous. I'll go get it, hold on. So I was gonna wear this sweater. It's inside out, but it's fine. So I was gonna wear that sweater, but I decided not to, because this feels better. It's cold, and it's cold in my office. Really cold in my office. So, anyway, I decided that today, because we are getting into the Halloween spirit, I thought, what's a really good Halloween horror movie? Well, a popular horror movie, it's probably not even popular anymore. I'm probably just saying a bunch of mumbo jumbo for a good intro, but... So, a popular horror movie, I think, was the movie Jigsaw. If you don't know what that is and you're a small child, don't look it up. It's scary. I personally don't want to watch it because I know it's going to give me nightmares. There's also another horror movie that will not be spoken of. That shall not be spoken of. It's about a clown, and I don't like clowns. I'm terrified of them, so yeah. Also, oh my gosh, I keep on rambling. We're already 3 minutes in. We're already like 4 minutes in, and I haven't even... What are they watching in there? What are y'all watching? Nugget! Okay. They're watching a trailer. I don't know what of, but they're watching a trailer. Hold on, I'm gonna open up these windows and stuff to bring in some natural lighting. I don't know if that's any better, but I think it did something, because I opened up the blinds and the windows in my office, and it looks a bit better. I don't know. So, I was looking on the glorious website of YouTube the other day, and I found the funniest freaking video of this guy, and he was dressed, he had an Annabelle, like an Annabelle doll, and he was in his car, right? So he drove up in like fast food restaurants and stuff, dressed up as the Annabelle character. Or no, he had the doll, and he was like a puppeteer, is that, I think that's the word, I don't know. and he was like scaring the crap out of the employees, and it was hilarious. And there's a Jigsaw one that I want to react to. So that's what we're doing today. Yeah. So let's get into the video. Let's go. Also, editor, try and put in some creepy music if you can find some. Okay, thanks. Hello, unicorns. So I found the video and I'm at the YouTube channel. So I haven't watched the Jigsaw. I skimmed through it to make sure that it was advertiser friendly. And it is. So let's watch it. Okay, I hope it's turned up all the way. Okay. Nothing's happening. The spinny wheel of death. Look at that girl's face right there, though. That's funny. I will sit here all day long. Spinny wheel of death. You will. Is it on pause? Like, did I? I'm trying to record a video here. Please work. Please and thank you. Okay, so I finally got it to load. Somehow, so let's watch it. So the channel is called Penguin Magic. You should watch it. It's like hilarious.
Hello, YouTube. I want to play a game.
Drive-through software. I'm gonna do it.
Crazy.
Games.
Oh my God,
We're only a minute and 9 seconds in, and I'm already dead. This is hilarious, though. Why haven't I found this, like, earlier? This is hilarious.
A question.
What?
Do you want to play a game?
No, I want to play a game. Oh my God, it gave.
Oh, come on, man. That's a strong hand. Do you want to play a game? Sure. What do you want to play?
I'm good at spades.
Booga, booga, booga. Booga, booga, booga.
Can you shake people's hands?
Yes.
You can.
You want to shake my hand?
I'm scared, but I want to shake your hand.
Okay. Do you want to play a game?
You don't want to play the game?
Yes.
No, I just want the money that you owe me for these nuggets.
Why is everybody scared of me? I just want a hamburger. What's wrong?
Where the people at?
I am the people.
You are the people.
Yes.
Who controlling you?
I control my destiny.
You control your destiny.
Yes.
Oh, that's so realistic. You made that?
I made myself.
You got a lot of details.
I got a lot of time on my hands.
We see that.
No, you might jump out. You said what?
You want to see a cool trick?
What's that?
I'm a zombie. Hello, Taco Bell.
You can take it. You can have it, man.
Well, I gotta pay for it.
My friend wants to.
World Star. I want to play a game.
What kind of game?
I've got Wii Sports, No Man's Skies, and Call of Duty.
Oh, Call of Duty. What system?
For the Sega Dreamcast.
Oh, that's old. You gonna do the survey, Todd?
Hey, Nobody got time for surveys.
Oh, come on. I'm so dead. Huh.
Same.
You will be.
What?
I got money.
Hey, you're joking. You can grab that.
Oh no, he failed us. Give him his nuggets.
What? He failed you? What you mean?
Wendy's, you have failed this city. Oh wait, wrong show. Never mind. I gotta go.
What?
Got it.
What?
Thank you.
Easy, man. Stop killing people.
I'm not a murderer.
I was just about to comment on that guy. And then that. No, stop. Okay. I gotta hear that again. Hold on. That was funny.
Gotta go. Got it. Thank you.
Easy, man. Stop killing people.
I'm not a murderer. I'm a real person.
Yeah, you ain't real, dog.
This is real life, son.
He's videoing it. You see the video right there?
I'm filming a documentary.
Is that a Dr. Pepper?
Dr. Pepper. Live or die. It's your choice.
Oh my gosh. I love this. Listen. I'm filming a documentary. You said a Dr. Pepper? This is hilarious. Also, guys, I lost a tooth. See? Bleh. Okay, let's continue.
For this trick, you're gonna need one.
That was it. That was it. Okay. That is going to be it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it as much as I did. It was pretty flippin' funny. I'm not gonna lie. I laughed a lot. Also, like the video if you like the new water bottle. Also, comment down below ideas for videos. Someone commented on a video of mine a couple weeks back saying to do something creepy. As you wish. I keep on burping, excuse me. But this wasn't really me doing something creepy, it was me reacting to something creepy and hilarious at the same time. Anyway, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and become a notification narwhal, a unicorn under the sea. Do it. Or don't, then feel bad. Like the video, if you enjoyed it, and comment down below who was your favorite person that reacts to mine? Or mine? Comment down below, did you like the Jigsaw drive-thru prank or the Annabelle drive-thru prank? I think I like the Annabelle one more because I've watched the Jigsaw one about 10 million times. So yeah. But thank you all so much for 42 subscribers. I cannot believe that we're already at 40. By the way, once we hit 80 subscribers, then I'm going to do then I'll do another video. Also, and comment down below if you like the new backdrop, if you want me to film my reaction videos here or at my old setup or if you want me to keep my old setup that I had. If you want to go back and see what that looked like, I have the Anyway, so if you want to see what the old setup looked like, I think the video where I did the can you guess the Disney songs challenge, that my old setup is on there. So anyway, thank you all so much for everything. I literally could not be here without you guys. I love you all, and remember, you're all a unicorn and feel the forces. Bye bye.